Hey and welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Laxan, and today we are going to be checking out my desk. Like, my desk has gone through some insane changes over the years. Like, I don't know how many times my desk has changed, for me moving rooms, me moving entirely to different countries. So there's a lot of changes, space, the rooms, the house, so it's made a lot of difference. But I have to say, looking through the pictures, it was insane just to see how much changes has gone through. The earliest pictures I could find was from 2015, but before then I actually did have a Sony Wire laptop, which was just that, nothing more, nothing fancy. It was just my laptop. I think I had a mouse as well, but that's it. But from 2015, my desk has gone through some insane changes. If you're looking at the pictures here, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 19, 20, and finally 2021. Like, this picture is just 2 months old, but my desk does still go through changes. Like, I keep changing my desk, my figures, making it personalized. Your desk has to feel special, so I kind of keep updating it. But today we're going to check out how the desk is now as a fall 2021. I know I'm going to change my desk literally as soon as this video is done, but who cares? We're going to check out how my desk is now and see what upgrades I can do in the future, how I'm going to change it, the layout, what I love, the products I use, because some of these products are pretty damn old. Like, there's some of them are really old, you have to imagine. But yeah, let's just begin with the video. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and as always, thank you for watching the video, being here, supporting me. But yeah, let's just begin with the video. Thank you for watching LS Tech. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, enable notifications with the little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. So yeah, this is my desk. As you can see, it's amazing. It's beautiful, it's simple, and I love it. Yes, right now I do have my iPad and my MacBook out just to show you, but yeah. So yeah, let's get rid of the MacBook and the iPad. So yeah, this is how my desk looks on a daily basis without iPad and MacBook. I hardly have them out, only if I need to use them, I'll take them, otherwise they're stored away. But so yeah, let's just begin with the desk itself, and it's all YouTuber. I've got the famous YouTuber Linman desk. Yeah, like, you can't go wrong. If you want a desk, a nice desk on a budget, you can't go wrong with the Kia Linman. That's what I've opted for. Of course, I don't have the legs. I've actually went for the Alex drawers, which are nice. I've got 2 of them on each side, and I've gone for the full classic white setup, which is amazing. It's getting old, getting scratches, but I love it. This is the job for so many years now. I've actually changed the desktop maybe 4 or 5 times now, from different sizes, from the smallest one all the way up to the biggest one now, which is the 200 centimeter by 60 centimeter. That's amazing. It's big enough for me. It has place for all my stuff, but I might want to change it, like, over the maybe next time I do a desk setup. I'm going to change it definitely for sure, because I'm getting a lot of scratches and dents on it now, and it's pretty old now as well. But yeah, that's the desk itself, and the main thing that's just popping out of the desk is my monitor. And yes, that's one of the old Apple Thunderbolt display. That's from back in 2011, if I'm sure. That's insane. Like, still works. Like, it's amazing. It's amazing. Like, after all these years, it still does the job. The brightness, the colors are just good, and it's still a 2K display. It's still 2560 by 1440, which is amazing. And it's an IPS panel. It's good. Of course, the response time is low at 12, but for me, who just does mainly production work, editing, video, it's totally fine. I'm not doing any sort of gaming for that. I have a separate desk over here, so no worries about that. But the things I do, that monitor is still amazing, and it's like 10 years old and it's still amazing. I've had it for like 5 years now, and it's amazing. Like, no doubt here, it's stunning. Of course, a beautiful monitor needs something to power it, and for me, it's the Mac Pro. I've had it for now couple of years now. I love it. It's amazing. Yes, that's old as well. Like it's from back 2013, but 8 years later, it is amazing. Yes, I've made some upgrades on mine. Original spec is the 6-core, 16 gigs of RAM, 250 gig storage, and we've got the dual AMD Fire Pro D500 with 3 gigs of DDR5 RAM each. It's amazing, but it needs some upgrades. So I've upgraded the storage. I've actually done that twice, all the way up to 1 terabyte. So that's amazing. And the RAM, I've upgraded that to 64. So that's now maxed out. You can actually max it out to 128 gigs. But I've kept mine at 64. It's nice. Maybe I want to do it because the RAM sticks are getting cheaper and cheaper for the Mac Pro, so I might do that. But for now, it's amazing. I have no issue, no lags. It's amazing. It is a great job. Like, I love it. And for the audio, I actually got 2 Yamaha HS7 for my monitoring audio, and you can't go wrong here. These are like some of the YouTube favorite monitor speakers you can get out there. Of course, they're the HS5, 7, and 8. I've got the 7 in the mid-range. Amazing. Like, you get crisp sound from it, and of course you need a good amp or deck to connect it to. So I've got the Yamaha HG03, which is a mixer. I know it's not a 10 to use for this, but it does a great job of getting the sound through, and it's powered by the Mac, so that's good. I can connect peripherals, mic, other things, a lot of different things. So mainly I just connect the mic when I'm doing voiceover or stuff like that. So that's amazing, and the quality is really good. I wanna upgrade to like a proper amp deck to get even better audio quality, but for me, does the job, and I'm really happy with it. And of course, you need a pair of speakers. Headphones. And for that, I've got the Sony WH-1000 Mark III. Of course, I've not upgraded to the Mark IV. The Mark III does an amazing job in sound quality, and I use it on the go as well. And of course, I do have the in-ears as well, and then the Mark III as well. So that's amazing, good pair from Sony. You can't go wrong with that. They're really, really amazing. They're really amazing, just sound quality, build wise. So of course, do check out the links in the description. I will leave links for separate video reviews, even products if you want to pick it up yourself. So do check it out in the description. But yeah, let's just move on. So it's 2021. You definitely need something smart on your desk, and you need a smart assistant to control your lights and everything like that. And my option is the Google Home. The Google Home Assistant, it's amazing. Like the Google, you can't go wrong with it. You can go in here, got my light controls, go into my smart home, got all my controls here. I can control the lights, turn it off, turn it on. I can even go in here, literally just change the colors, which I really love. I can scroll through and just pick what color I want. I want like a purpley color. It's really nice. I want to go for something blue. It's really nice. You get the screen, you can see what you want. And it just had a lot of stuff, so I really like that. Better than having just the speaker itself. And for the price of the hub, it's really amazing. Like, you can't go wrong there, so that's amazing touch. And to power that, I actually have 2 Phillips Hue light strips on my desk, one at the bottom, one at the top, so I can have 2 different colors. I can just go for one single color, which is nice. It gives you that accent feeling. Daytime, you really don't need it on, but nighttime, having it on is just really nice, and just gives you that elegant feel to your desk. Your desk just needs that light. You just need it. It's just amazing when you have it, and it makes a huge difference. And of course, I've got a Stream Deck, and of course, I don't use it to stream. I just have it to have shortcuts. So I've like all my lights here. See, it just turns off, turn it on. I can access my quick programs, my shortcuts, got Siri in the middle, YouTube Studio, music, Gmail, and my link to the Lego website. If you don't know why that is, because a lot of Lego shopping, and the reason is because that I have a separate YouTube channel for my Lego city building. So if you haven't subscribed to that, make sure you do that. That's in the description. It's LuxBricks On that channel, it's everything about Lego, me building my city, reviewing Lego products and everything. So if you haven't subscribed to that channel, it would be really nice if you go and do that. The link in the description. And otherwise, I've got like my launchers and everything works really well. So if I just need to quickly to my YouTube music, I can just press that, it loads up. Very nice. It's just really nice to have that. Of course, the Stream Deck is to other things, but I like it like this. Turn off my lights. So yeah, if I turn off the lights here, as you can see, it just makes it totally different feel and look for the desk. It's nice still, it's still elegant. I'm not gonna complain, it's really nice. But of course, those LED strips just makes a really nice difference. Of course, the colors can change, but I like this. It's simple, it's nice. For your desk, you need to have something personalized. They can be my Lego figures, my Pokemon Funky Pops, just something that makes it unique to you, something you love. It can be anything. For me, it's my Legos. I keep changing them around, putting different Legos, changing my Pokemon Funky Pop because I really love them. And Bulbasaur is like one of my favorite. It's just really nice. Like, he's just so cute, so I really love that. I've got so many different ones, Pikachu and everyone, so it's really nice. You just want to make it personalized to your desk. It doesn't have to be Pokemon or Lego, it can be anything you love, you like. Changing around, sometimes I actually have plants and plots, but now I have no plants on the desk, it's just all gadget, but you can always change it around. If you're watching my previous videos and seeing all the pictures, you can see I've had so many different stuff on the desk, but yeah. That is my desk setup for the fall of 2021. I hope you like this video. I hope you like my content. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. But as always, I want to give a big shout out to everyone who's been supporting me all these years on my channel, personal page, on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do that. I'll leave a link in the description as always. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.